Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. So we're continuing about the addition rule, and here we are seeing the example of the non-mutual exclusive event. Remember the example we talk about is when multiple events can occur at the same time. So what is the probability of having a queen and also a heart at the same time? So here the example that we are seeing. So it's still from the deck of cards. So you're picking a card randomly from a deck. What is the probability of choosing a card that is a queen or a heart? As you know, whenever we spoke about or, we need to add. This is the addition rule where or is always accompanying the addition rule. Okay. So in this question, whenever you're saying a queen or a heart, so probability of having a queen out of a deck of cards is, if you know about cards, so 4 over 52. In a deck of cards, we have 4 queens having different signs. Now, what is the probability of having a heart in a deck of cards? So in fact, hearts, they're kind of numerous in a deck of cards. You have from number 2 to number 10, so it means you have 9 cards. Each one of them has a heart sign, so 9 cards. And then you have the ace, king, queen, and valley. So each one of those, you have a heart sign, so it's 4 cards. So 9 plus 4 is 13. So out of a deck of cards of 52, you have the probability of having a heart is 13 over 52. And now, what is the probability of having a queen and a heart? Queen and a heart. It's only one, right? Because in a deck of cards, you'll have a queen with a heart sign. It's only one card having this. So 1 over 52. So now, in terms of these questions, let's see how we are going to calculate and find this probability of having a queen or a heart. So, in fact, we write it like this. If you remember, probability of having A or B is probability of having A plus probability of having B. Now, if you want to find a card, whether it is a queen or a heart, you have to remove this probability, right? You have to remove this condition of having a queen and a heart. So, probability of having A or B here in this question is probability of having A plus probability of having B minus probability of having A and B. So intersection here. This is how we will get the correct answer if we want to calculate the probability of having a queen or a heart, because it is in a deck of cards, right? We have to remove that card having the queen and the heart so that we kind of have the probability of or queen or heart. Okay, so if I write it here, so it's probability of having a queen or a heart is equal to probability of having a queen plus probability of having a heart minus the probability of having the queen and the heart. And we already have all the figures above, right? We already have the figures here. So we can just replace them. Probability of having a queen is 4 over 52 plus probability of having a heart 13 over 52 minus the probability of having queen and a heart is minus 1 over 52. If we are going to calculate this, you get a fraction of 16 over 52, which is in decimal, is 0.31. So this is the answer. In this question, what is the probability of choosing a card that is a queen or a heart is 0.31. So I hope you understood about the non-mutual exclusive event example. I hope that you liked the video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.